Hello friends, so today in this video we're gonna see the concept of resistance. That means the concept of electrical resistance. So what is resistance and what are the cause behind the resistance, and also we're gonna see the types of resistance. So let's start the video without wasting much time. Resistance is a fundamental concept of electricity, and resistance is nothing but that is the opposition offered to the flow of electric current in a electrical circuit. That is nothing but that is the electrical resistance, and resistance is always denoted as R, and resistance is measured in ohms. So this is the simple concept of resistance. Resistance occurs only due to the collision between the electrons or the charge carriers and the conductor atoms. When the electrons are colliding with each other, then certain amount of opposition will produce to the flow of electrons inside. We all know that the flow of electron is nothing but that is the electric current. So ultimately it will oppose the flow of electric current in the circuit. Basically, there are three types of resistance are available. The first one, that is electrical resistance, that is nothing but opposition offered to the flow of electric current or the flow of electric charges. And the second one, that is the thermal resistance, that is the opposition offered to the heat. And also the third one, that is the contact resistance, that is the resistance between two surfaces. Okay, so this is the types of resistance.